Have you ever heard someone say,
"That's my bae"?
Well said.
or
Elaine and I'd say we were in a 7-year situationship.
and had no idea what these words meant? Don't worry, you are not alone. Hello and welcome to or welcome back to my YouTube channel English with Speaker. My name is Tanya. You're watching this series Gen Z Dating Slang, and this is part 1. These slang words are popular with young people, especially when they talk about love and relationships. By the end of this lesson, you will understand these phrases and sound more natural when speaking English. Let's get started. The first word is bae. Bae.
Look, bae, you're super smart, but sometimes you're a little overthinky.
And it's short for baby or babe. People use it as a pet name for someone they love, like a boyfriend, girlfriend, or crush. For example, I'm spending the weekend with my bae. Pizza and movies, of course. DTR. DTR.
Are we casual? Are we boyfriends? Is it too soon to DTR?
DTR?
This is an abbreviation and it stands for define the relationship. Define the relationship. This is the conversation where two people decide if they are officially a couple or not. For example, we've been talking for 3 months. It's time to DTR. Next one is talking phase. Talking phase.
The truth is, there is no right amount of time for a talking phase because it does not exist. Too many of you are way too confused by this concept.
This is the stage before dating. You text a lot and maybe even hang out, but you're not a couple yet. For example, we're not dating, we're just in the talking phase. Next one is situationship. Situationship.
They got people who are in situationships to sit across from each other and be fully honest about their intentions and feelings for each other, and I think that it's the worst, most painfully cringe thing that I've ever seen.
It's more than friendship, but not an official relationship. You do couple things, but there are no clear rules. For example, I like him, but it is just a situationship right now. Next one, and cuffing or cuffing season. Cuffing season.
This is so exciting! Lily's wish might actually come true, and just in time for cuffing season. Okay, I really should watch what I say around her, hey?
Cuffing means to get into a relationship. Cuffing season is in the winter, when people want to be in a relationship because it's cold and lonely. For example, it's cuffing season. Everyone wants a girlfriend or boyfriend right now, and I just want to be alone. Next word is smash. Smash.
Smash or pass Disney character edition, but it gradually gets more concerning. Smash! Smash! Smash!
And it's a casual way to say to have This word is very informal, so use it carefully. For example, they went out on a date and then smashed. And the next one is sneaky link. Sneaky link.
They said that I should make a video about sneaky links and do basically 5 steps that you should take before your sneaky link appointment.
This is someone you meet secretly, usually for casual or romance fun. For example, I can't talk right now. I'm on my way to meet my sneaky link. Now let's recap all the phrases we learned today. Bae, DTR, talking phase, situationship, cuffing, cuffing season, smash, sneaky link. Great. Now that's it from me for today. I hope that you enjoyed this lesson. And if you did, like this video, share it with your friend or a family member, and subscribe if you haven't done that yet. Also, click that bell in order not to miss any of my classes. Thank you for being here with me today. I'll see you in my next one. Bye!